Installing door and window hinges involves more than just positioning and welding. The hinges must be perfectly aligned and parallel to ensure smooth opening and closing. Before full welding, apply tack welds at several points to lock the hinges in place. Once precision is confirmed and the position is secure, proceed with gradual, even welding to prevent heat from warping the frame. The result is a strong, neat and durable installation where the door or window operates smoothly, without binding, demonstrating the importance of precision in every step of the fabrication process.